This video is brought to you by Aventon.
We are on Hermosa Pier retracing the steps of Scott's doppelganger. Most of you guys know him as Ryan Gosling. That's right, La La Land was filmed right here on Hermosa Pier. And while California is known as the Mecca for movies, not many are actually filmed in Hermosa, but La La Land was, and so was the HBO show Westworld.
Let me guess, had my first beer right there.
See, right here, I'll show you a side-by-side of what Hermosa looks like in reality and what it looks like in Westworld. And you can see they took a few liberties of making it look a little bit more futuristic. Maybe that's what it'll look like in, like, I don't know, 50 years. We'll see.
Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me.
Have you ever dreamt of the perfect SoCal beach town? You know, like the one you see in the movies? Take it from us, former locals. You don't want to head to Hollywood. Santa Monica is overcrowded, and Malibu is way too big. You want to head to the South Bay of Los Angeles, particularly Hermosa Beach. So slip on your flip-flops, break out the sunnies, and get ready to live that laid-back LA lifestyle. Cheers. Cheers, babe. Well, that's good. So we are at our favorite margarita restaurant. Well, it's a restaurant, but they serve margaritas. We're at Palmillia, and this is a higher-end Mexican restaurant. You can come here for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and get something for any time of the day. Margaritas at lunch, why not?
Why not?
Skylan, what do you think of Palmillia? Do you like it?
Other than their margaritas, one of my favorite parts is the people watching, because we are right on pier. There are all walks of people that come around, and it's really fun to watch. But the pier can get pretty rowdy on the weekends, so it's definitely a fun place to come down, and anytime there's always action.
But you forgot one of the coolest things if you can get a seat, a specific seat here.
Oh, right. So if it's nighttime or about to be nighttime, try to snag a fireside table. They have actual fire pits inside some of the tables, so you can sit outside, enjoy margarita, and stay warm in that cool California beachside weather.
Gosh, it's beautiful here. Just look at that yellow sun. And way off in the distance, those lovely little white clouds.
To grab her bottle of her sweater.
Come on, let's get you ready.
It's time to go in the adventure seat. Yay!
Great.
Oh, good girl.
Hooray! Do you like Martha's?
All right, we are gonna let you in on a little local secret, and that is Martha's. Now, Martha's has been a Hermosa favorite since 1984.
And this place is known for breakfast. And I know I talked a lot about burritos this whole video, but they have one of the best breakfast burritos, I think, in the entire world.
Oh, that is saying a lot.
A legendary breakfast burrito. Do you want some burrito? Do you want some burrito? No? Okay.
And the thing is, Martha's, it's on 22nd Street, so it is away from the pier, which makes it stay a local favorite because not many people know about it if you're not from Hermosa.
And if you feel like, you know, just kind of having a fun morning, they also have mimosas as well, which you can have a lot of fun with mimosas at Martha's on 22nd Street.
Oh yeah, say that 5 times fast.
But what's nice is it is just right off the Strand. I mean, here's the Strand and Martha's is right over there. And I think now it's time that we head to our next stop.
Let's do it. Should we walk on the Strand?
We should walk on the Strand.
Okay. Okay, we are walking along the Strand now, and the Strand is this path, the main artery in Hermosa Beach that goes along the Pacific Ocean. Now you can walk on it, you can bike on it, but whatever you're doing on it, you're always gonna see people playing volleyball on the beach, because this place is the beach volleyball capital of the world. So if you're visiting Hermosa Beach, I would highly recommend taking a beach volleyball class and not just dropping in on a beach volleyball game. because the locals here are mostly pros.
We are at Hermosa Brew Co. All right, we've had plenty of margaritas and burritos. It's time to switch it up and go to the basics, which is beer. Yes, this is a definite stop for all you beer fans, and also they have some amazing food. I definitely recommend their spicy chicken sandwich. Oh, it is so good. So Hermosa Brew Co., just like all the other amazing restaurants, is a place where people gather and hang out. And that's just kind of the whole premise of Hermosa, is just enjoying life. So this is a place where people will come for lunch in the evening just to hang out, have a few beers, and enjoy this beautiful weather, because that's the whole reason you come to Hermosa, is the weather. So that's what we're doing right now. A little cloudy, but the sun peeks in and out and it's perfect. One note when you are coming here, always bring a jacket, because it might be 70 degrees and sunny, but as soon as a cloud, or the marine layer, as everyone knows it, comes in, well, all of a sudden that temperature is going to drop and you're going to be chilly. So that is always needed, a hoodie or some type of jacket whenever you're out walking around town. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm headed to one of the more famous coffee shops in Hermosa, Java Man, and I'm doing it in the most Hermosan way possible, via e-bike. And I am riding the Aventon Level 2 commuter bike, and this thing is basically the Goldilocks of e-bikes. They have pretty much figured out everything you need for an e-bike. First off, for safety, it's got disc brakes, it's got an awesome headlight, and it's got automatic brake lights and running lights at night, so cars can see you at night very easily. So what's nice is it has two modes of assist. Basically the normal pedal assist, which is you pedal and it gives you some extra boost, and it also has a throttle. So if you want to feel like you're just riding a dirt bike, hit the throttle and take off. And now for those of you who haven't ridden an e-bike, you are missing out. These things are fast, fun, and zippy. And now this Aventon has plenty of battery and plenty of power to zip you around the streets as fast as you need to go. The other thing that's super nice is it's really not that hard to assemble. Shows up directly at your house, and it took me maybe about an hour, 2 hours to put together, and then you're on the road ASAP. So on top of all the amazing features that this bike has, it also has an app. That's right, there's the Aventon Bike app. So in the app, you can adjust settings like your assist level or turn your light on and off, and then you can also track your mileage, the lifetime mileage, or you can just track individual trips and routes.
How are you?
Doing well yourself?
Good, and you?
Good.
It's gonna be for you to
To go, please.
line one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Enjoy, buddy.
Cheers, everyone. So here at Java Man, this is basically a historical landmark. At least it feels that way. I don't know if it officially is, but this building has been here for years, and it is a local's favorite. This is a spot where you want to come and get delicious pastries. I mean, mind-blowing pastries. Coffee, obviously, Java Man, and breakfast burritos, my favorite. So Java Man is known as a local hangout. It's a spot where people will come and have meetings on the outside or just sit inside and work like an old school coffee shop. Now, we can't show you Hermosa without talking about this place that is right behind us.
This is the Hermosa Beach Comedy and Magic Club.
And it is known in the comedy world as a staple. I mean, this is a place where big headliners come, like Jay Leno, Daniel Tosh. I mean, we saw Joe Rogan and Bob Saget here. R.I.P. Bob Saget. Yes.
But yeah, this is a great intimate comedy club, but get here early because it is first come, first serve on the seating. And they have an awesome special on Fridays and Saturdays. I think it's 10 comics for $20. And
Most Fridays and Saturdays.
yes, and Jay Leno performs many, many Sundays. Not every Sunday, but check the schedule and he might be there.
Yes. Come here, get here early, just plan to have your dinner here as well. Get here like basically right as doors open is a good idea.
Yeah.
Because then you can get a good pick on the seat because it is first come, first serve on the seating.